Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Archero 2 best runes. In Archero 2, runes play a critical role in shaping your gameplay, and knowing the best ones can give you a significant edge. Among the top runes, the common AoE trigger stands out despite its rarity, activating an area of effect attack every 7 shots. The revive rune is essential, granting a second chance by reviving your character when defeated. Luck-based runes like the Rabbit's Foot, which boosts the chance of obtaining high-quality skills by 20%, and the Lucky Shadow, increasing dodge and luck by 55%, are excellent for enhancing survivability and skill gains. The Star of Fury summons 3 meteors when taking damage, turning defense into offense, while the Dragonflight Sword upgrades a normal strike to a Dragon Strike with a 35% chance, dealing significantly more damage. Flame Knock's touch continuously ignites random enemies every 2 seconds, providing constant damage without extra input. And the Sharp Arrow increases bow weapon damage by 10%, scaling further with each level. Choosing these runes wisely can dramatically improve your performance and strategy in Arc Hero 2. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.